Alright guys, here I am in Up Your Arsenal, and this is the start of my titanium bolt and ratchet trophy guide. And it's a short thing. It was requested by Deadborno955 a few months ago actually, and well, maybe a little more than a few months, but just now getting around to it, actually. So, okay. Just gonna show you where the trophy is in this, on this level, and where the trophy is, or the trophy in the bolt. So, okay. And I start at the beginning of the level, so you know how to get there from the beginning. Just so you know. It's really not that far into the level, much. Okay. Okay. That's not where it is, never mind. Okay, first I'll show you the bolt, and okay. First, it's kind of better to do it this way. You don't have to, but it's kind of better. Just go down here. There's these two platforms before, and this ladder, and I guess it's already gone. I already got it on this account. Okay, it'd be right here is where it would be, and I keep getting confused between what kind of bolt is on Up Your Arsenal, like platinum or titanium, so if I'm saying it wrong, I think it's titanium bolts on Up Your Arsenal, but okay. Then come on. Okay. And the trophy's up here a little more. This is gonna be like only one part guide because it's pretty easy and pretty fast to do. Could make it into 2 videos, but it'd just be more to upload. So just okay, it's to the left up here. So get this ladder, and you just go across here. Then most of you probably know where it is already, so you're probably just watching for fun. But you land right here. Land right here. It's safer to land there instead of going across. Right here is where it'd be. Once again, I already gone on this account. But then you go down here. It takes you back to right here where we found the bolt. So again. Alright, don't know what I'm doing next after this, so I'll just see you next time.